Hey guys, Steve Ferguson here, your modern mortgage loan advisor. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm excited to visit with you guys. And today we're going to talk about a first time homebuyer workshop and what you need to know to get ready for it, enjoy it, learn a ton of information. And so we're going to go over that step by step right now. But before I do, please like or subscribe. Make sure you let me know on the channel what you want to get videos about. I want to make sure you guys are well educated, making great mortgage loan decisions out there. All right, so First Time Homebuyer Workshop, a virtual version of this, is very popular. It's easier to attend. You don't have to worry about childcare, and all those things are already in place for you. Usually they're done over Zoom or like Google Meets or any of those types of programs that exist out there in order to make it easy and efficient for you and smartphone friendly. Now, these workshops are designed to answer specific questions for you. So for example, mortgage terminology. What's a debt to income ratio? What's a loan to value? How much money do I need for down payment? What are loan programs? Like what's FHA? What's VA? What's USDA conventional? What about programs that I may not have heard of before? Like what are bank statement loans or asset depletion loans? So these virtual seminars are going to give you that data and make sure that you're set up for success as you're hearing this terminology and you're moving forward on purchasing a home. Because the last thing you want to do is call somebody and not know what they're talking about and make a decision on something that, again, you didn't know anything about, and that was a poor decision. So this type of seminar is very important for you, and I highly recommend that you attend. And by the way, I've got a link in my description below. If you want to attend our next virtual homebuyer seminar, please let us know. We'd love to invite you and get you that information so that way you can enjoy the class. Okay, so number one is terminology, right? We've already talked about that. There's some acronyms in lending that you're going to want to know in a virtual homebuyer seminar, mortgage products, etc. Now, the other thing that's important on a mortgage buyer seminar is strategy to find the best loan program, which a good loan officer will help you do. They're going to walk through, okay, how do we determine which loan programs are available for you? What actually is available for you? For example, do you qualify for down payment assistance, or do you need a lot of money down, or can you get gift funds? Can mom and dad give me money for a mortgage loan? Those are all things that we can build into the strategy of the virtual homebuyer seminar. That's important data for you as well as you're planning. You don't have to have a ton of money to buy a home, as long as you have a loan officer on your side that actually knows how to put it together the right way and present information to you in a way that's understandable, right? So the next step is, how does the home buying process work? Now, I've made several videos about Mortgage 101 and each step of the process, but the home buying seminar goes through those steps as well. It gives you the ability as the consumer to ask questions live and in real time. Hey, what does this mean? How do I get past this? I've had a problem with this, or whatever it happens to be in your specific situation. I just want to make sure that you're set up for success with that and that you get all your questions answered. Because the entire goal of the seminar is to make sure that you are fully prepared to move forward, to buy a home. You feel confident, you feel prepared, like I mentioned many times before, because this is probably the most expensive purchase you're ever going to make. And the point of this process is to set you up for success. Now, after we get past all the terminology, you're going to get details and data on maybe some different loan amounts, maybe property types that will work, property types that will not work. I mean, there's a myriad of things that can be communicated. One of the most important sections of this seminar is the question and answer part. Look, write down things you have questions about. Write things down that you've heard. I did a Google search on this and this came up. What does that mean? Any loan officer worth their salt is going to know the answer to those questions on the fly without having to do any research. It's pretty straightforward. Now, every state has different rules and different laws, and so that can be impactful for you as well. Me being in the state of Texas, I know Texas, straight and back, and so other loan officers will know other states very well. So it's important to write down your questions, make sure you get the answers in a way that they're concise enough and understandable enough where you can move forward and know when you talk to anybody about a mortgage loan, you appear to be more of an expert, in that category. So that is the general idea. So a couple of points that you're going to want to have on a virtual homebuyer seminar. Number one, take notes. Really important. Number two, see if you can get a copy of the slide deck. It never hurts to ask. A lot of times loan officers will save these and give you access to them for a certain amount of time so you can re-review them. Number three, watch videos. So I've got a bunch of videos on my site. I'm sure you guys have seen those already. Review those videos. They're designed to be informational for you and give you data that you may not have had or maybe didn't even know. And number four, make sure that you tell your friends and family if you got a great help or a great seminar, tell them about it. And that way you can help that loan officer out and repay the favor by going, you know what, let me refer you to somebody else who needs some help. You helped me a lot. And my appreciation is referring more people to you. Well, guys, I hope that really helps you. That's kind of the basic information of what this program is going to look like. Make sure you click on the information below, drop any comments you have, and I look forward to talking to you soon. All right, bye-bye.